Hey guys, Bix100 here, and today I'm going to show you another resource called Material Design. So if you go to material.io, there's this nice little site that Google has set up that has all kinds of resources for user interface design. For example, if you click on this icons section, it takes you to a page where once it loads, there are all kinds of pre-made icons that you can use that makes it easier to create different buttons for you to click, or images or icons, because all these things are pre-made, and if there's something that you like but not completely, then you could always download it and modify it. So there's all kinds of different versions. There's filled, outlined, rounded, two-toned, and sharp. They have them in different categories, and you can even save them in different qualities, or as an SVG, a PNG, black or white. And again, you can always download them, modify them, so if you don't want black or white, you can download one of those versions and change it to whatever color you want. So the icon section is what I use the most. There we go. I had to back up more than what I thought I did. There's also things like guidelines that show you different things like spacing, font. There's a color section that shows you how to use different colors that fit together and where to put them, and text legibility, dark theme, all kinds of stuff like that. I know this color section has been useful to me when designing the colors for my channel, so it's not just usable for program design. So there's all kinds of things here at material.io that you can use, and they're always updating it. So if there's something that you can't find now, it might be available later. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Check out my other resource videos, check out my tutorial videos, check out all of my stuff, hit the like button, subscribe, and until next time, bye.